Today, I will share with you 9 methods to promote affiliate links if you don't have an audience. So, if you are just starting, you don't have anything online, you want to promote affiliate links, this video is for you. Stay tuned. What's nice about this video is we have both free methods and paid methods. So anyone, if you're a beginner or an expert, you can follow up with us. Let's start with the paid methods. Number 1, Udemy or Udemy. I don't know how to pronounce it. So here we can buy solo ads. If you remember my video about the challenge to make $500 in 27 days, I used for the first campaign Udemy to get some clicks to my links. So here you can go to find sellers section and you can buy solo ad campaign. As an example, you can go here to got sales like 50% in the niche you want. You can sort by ratings and then click on the seller, and you can see here you can get like 300 clicks for $183 and so on. You can select only top tier countries, but don't just paste the affiliate link here. If you want to get the best results, always make sure to build a sales funnel as we did in my other videos. So go to systems.io, which is totally free. You can start totally for free and build a sales funnel, then promote the sales funnel with Udemy ads. Number 2 is using spy ad tools with push and native ads. So you can go to Anstex.com and spy on ads, on what other affiliate marketers are doing, and clone the same campaign and promote with push ads like using this service, Popular Ads, or simply go with native advertising like on Outbrain, MGID networks, and so on. Number 3 is simply use Google Ads. I explained Google Ads before and the power of Google Ads to promote any product you want, because you are promoting to people who are searching for products. So you can go here to campaigns and create a new campaign. You can see I have 2 campaigns running here. So use Google Ads, but of course, don't promote the affiliate link directly again. Use your own pages, your own landing pages. It's better to build email lists, to build an audience at the same time you are promoting your links. The last paid method for today is to buy a shout out on Instagram. I think it's one of the best methods, the cheapest ones to start with. So you can go to shoutouts.com and search for influencers in your niche. Like, you can select whatever niche you want here, search for someone with a good account and pay for a shout out. Like start with $20 and see how things work. Or simply you can go to Instagram and search for influencers, search for them, contact them, DM them, and ask for a shout out. So these are the paid methods. Let's now move on to the free methods, which are awesome for beginners. But before that, if you got some benefit, if you learned something new today, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn notifications to get every new update. Let's see what we have in the free methods. So the first free method, which is number 5 in our video today, is Pinterest. Maybe you are wondering now why I chose Pinterest and not Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. You can use any platform you want, but the power of Pinterest is in its search engine. Pinterest is a search engine. As an example, if someone is searching for healthy food or whatever, you can see Pinterest will show results in this way and people will start navigating. And what's nice about Pinterest, it allows direct linking. So you can add a direct link in your pins, but it's better to use again landing pages or your blog post and not direct affiliate links if you want to be on the safe side and really scale up and build a real affiliate marketing business. So step 1 or method 1 is Pinterest. Method 2 is what we call launch jacking. So you go to a website called munchi.com, then you will see here the big affiliate launches on JVZoo or whatever, or Warrior Plus. And let's say you pick this product that will launch 16 September, which is today maybe, or this one in 29 September. So you open this product and you read about it. You go to the sales page here, you read about it, you understand how this works, and you create a review article or video about it. you can use websites like medium.com for free to create a free blog and create a review for this product. When you create this, you will be the first one doing this. So anyone searching about this product, searching for reviews about this product, your article will appear and you can get traffic to your links from your article. Method number 7 is Quora. Quora is really a treasure. In Quora, we have more than 4 methods to get traffic. Number 1 is to create a space. Like I did, I have this Quora space, make money online here, where I share articles and whatever you want. It's like a blog inside Quora. The second one is to search for questions in your niche and answer them. As an example, you search for affiliate marketing, like this, search, and then go here to questions, and you will find a lot of questions you can answer and link back to your links. But again, Quora doesn't allow direct affiliate linking, so make sure to create landing pages, bridge pages, or funnel pages, and you can use System.io, as I told you, totally for free. Also inside Quora, you can go and be a contributor. So again, if you search for affiliate marketing and go here to spaces, you will find a lot of spaces in a specific niche. You can join as a contributor and start writing inside these spaces. And by the way, Quora also has paid advertising. You can go here to Ads Manager and run paid ads if you want. Also inside Quora, if you go here to my profile, let's see. And by the way, you can see I have like around 400,000 views on Quora with around 8,000 this month. If you go here, you can see I have some followings. I have around 3,000 followers. Anyway, what you can do also in Quora is to simply post on the Quora wall on your profile. You can add a question or share a link directly inside Quora. Again, make sure to use landing pages and bridge pages or funnel pages when you want to paste on Quora. Method number 8 is forums. You can utilize forums on the internet to get traffic and promote your links. Like in my case, we have a forum inside HDK. If you want, you can go and join now. Start engaging now. You can see we have more than 33,000 members, more than 50,000 posts. You can go and join us, engage with people, help each other. At the same time, you can promote your links. Again, it's better to build landing pages, funnel pages, collect and build email lists to build a strong business, affiliate business online. And by the way, in our forum, we have a challenge till the end of this year. If you can reach level 10, you will earn $1,000 cash. So go now. What you are waiting for? Go to the forum, engage, talk with people, help each other, reach level 10, earn $1,000, and at the same time, you can promote your affiliate products. And the last method is simply building toolkits and guides. As we did in the last video like 2 or 3 weeks ago, the challenge, the $500 in 27 days challenge, we built the affiliate kit. If you remember, if you are following me, we built this kit, the affiliate marketer toolkit, where you share some tools in a specific niche and you promote the affiliate links inside it. You can see all these are services and all these are affiliate links that I'm tracking. If you want to learn how I did this, the full case study, you can check my video in the description below or somewhere here on the screen. So you can build these guides, the free guides, and then you can share them in forums, in Quora, in Pinterest, on social media, wherever you want. They are free guides. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't forget, comment below or simply join our Telegram group so we can chat together. I will be active almost every day to help you and to answer your questions. See you later.